In this video, we are going to see how we can hide our birth year on Facebook. So let's say that you visited your profile recently and you acknowledge that your birth date along with your year is shown, and you just want to hide your year. Maybe you don't want the people to know your age or something like that. So here is what you can do. So first of all, I'm viewing this profile as public. So let me just click on exit from here. And by the way, guys, if you visit your profile and you just want to see it, how it appears on the public, you just click on these three dots on the bottom right hand corner, in the middle basically, and you click on view as, and it will show you the public view. So anyways, let's head over to the personal details. Make sure you're not in the public view. Click on the personal details, and here is your birth date and birth year. So birth date is fine, but you want to hide the birth year. Right now it is set to public. All you have to do is just click on this option and just share it with only me. That means it will be hidden for all the other people on Facebook, and that is it. What you can do after that to confirm view as, just click on this three dots, click on view as, and it will be shown as public. And now you can see that it only shows you the date and not the year. In the about section, it shows the year, but let me just refresh this. And there you go, guys. In the about section as well, now it's showing only the date. And that is all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.